One song that touched millions of hearts and awakened the spirit of a nation. Vande Mataram was written in 1875 by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. It means I bow to you, my mother, a feeling of love and respect for our motherland. During India's freedom struggle, this song became a voice of courage, hope, and unity. Even after 150 years, its power still lives in every Indian heart. Because true patriotism is not just words, it is unity, compassion, and responsibility. At Seven Spokes Verdure Foundation, we serve people and protect our land. This is how we say Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram, yesterday, today, and always.